Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate the process of migrating the data from Saral GST file to Saral Pro and continuing the GST return filing through the online application. Before starting, make sure you have upgraded to Saral GST version 6.15. Good internet speed, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox browser is available in the system. Please note that currently the migration will only support the transfer of data for regular GST files, that is data of GSTR1, GSTR2, GSTR2A, GSTR2B, GSTR3B and ITC04. Other GST data migration including e-invoicing is not available in this version. To begin, open Saral GST and click the tile on the dashboard for migration. Assuming that you are a new user of Saral Pro, sign up for an account with Saral Pro by providing your email and password as required. If you already have an account at Saral Pro, then click on Login and log in into your account. On sign up, a confirmation code will be sent to your given email. Enter this confirmation code along with your name and contact number. On confirmation, select your business type and provide the related details. Please note that the entity master details are fetched based on your software registration as available with Relyon. Save this information and you are ready to migrate the data. The files available in Saral GST will be listed on the left of the screen. You can filter the files or select the files on the go. Note that only 5 files can be migrated at a time. If you have more than 5 files, then you will have to repeat the process. The list of files that cannot be migrated is listed at last in red color. Select the required files and click on Sync Data. The process will begin with the data getting migrated from Saral GST to Saral Pro. The progress of synchronization will be shown in the progress bar below. The right screen will also list the details of data being migrated for each file. As the data migration for a file completes, the file will be shown in green color. Upon completion of the migration of data, click on Login to Saral Pro and you will be logged to the Saral Pro dashboard where you can view all the files migrated. Click on GST of any file and you will be redirected to the GST module dashboard. Here, select any GSTR form, fiscal period and the details can be seen in the summary and subsequent entry windows. With this, we come to the end of the migrating data from Saral GST to Saral Pro. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.